What else is in there? Oh, isn't that cute? So cute. What else? Oh, that's adorable. It's a little skirt with the matching shirt.
And a beautiful skirt.
Oh, boy. That's so cute. That's a great outfit. Oh, some new undies, heart undies.
Heart undies? I love them.
You do?
Yeah.
Me too.
I want apple juice.
Okay, popsicle. He's coming up. What, another pair of undies? Oh, look at all those heart undies. Wow.
No more.
What do you say?
Thank you, Granny Joe and Simba!
Oh my. Wow.